I'm about to make the biggest mistake of my life. Okay, so as a lot of you guys already know, I obviously bleach my hair. Like, I obviously bleach my hair. And so I saw James and other people do a video where they bleached their hair for themselves. And I like have always thought about doing this because it's funny, but I just can't. But today is the day. I think I'm gonna bleach my hair myself. And so but I'm not doing it like myself. I'm going to my hairstylist and I'm gonna do it myself in the salon. Cause like I actually need to look good tomorrow. I'm just gonna put the bleach on and do it all myself, but I just need her there to like help me if anything goes wrong. So here we go. I'm like doing my hair. I'm like actually bleaching my own fucking hair. Yo, I didn't think about this hard. Like, I'm actually going to go bleach my fucking hair. Like, I don't want to do this. Like, Okay, I have all my shit, so we're gonna go. Alrighty, I will bring you guys back when I get there. I don't know how awkward it's gonna be and if there's gonna be other people there, and if there's other people there, I'm actually so sorry. I'm gonna be so awkward. I'm having my dad film some of it for me because like I need him to like sit in the car because I can't fucking drive myself. And so I'm gonna have him film some of it, and I hope it's not awkward. If it's awkward, I'm sorry. I really don't know what to do. I'm like nervous. I'm very nervous. I don't film things in public here. Like in LA, you can go film things in public and no one questions it, but like Texas, it's like not normal. So like, okay, so we're here right now, and I'm like realizing how much more nervous I actually am about like I like actually could fuck up my hair. Oh, holy fuck! Like I actually could fuck up my hair. I'm actually stressed.
Because that'll pick up massive. That light there will be like a window of heaven shining in on that camera. Like if you turn it.
Do I need a glove? I probably don't want to burn my fingers, so yeah, right? Should I put it on?
Yeah.
Do you?
I wear them.
You do?
Because I end up touching it.
Okay, yeah, because I'll probably. Okay.
But if you're not gonna.
I feel like I'll touch it because I want to like actually try.
Put it on this hand because you're gonna be. Now when you do this, sure, do your roots only.
Yeah.
Don't get it on the white
top
until.
Because that'll fry it.
Right.
So just like.
Maybe I should go ahead.
So I'm gonna now start. Okay. I'm like nervous. I feel like I'm gonna mess this up. Okay. This is kind of fun, actually.
Try not to get it and get it on this.
It's too much? Okay. So now I just like.
It's like a little bit of thin section.
It's like that much. Wait.
A little more.
Like that much?
And do this while you're holding it.
Okay. So hold.
Do.
Okay.
There you go.
This is more like a lesson of like how to bleach your hair than like me just like going for it like everyone else did. Okay.
A little small section.
See, everyone else in all their videos complained about how like it burned and stuff, and I was like, my hair doesn't burn anymore because I've bleached my scalp so many times that like.
Maybe they're not using the right stuff.
Yeah, well, they're using like really high volume and they're just putting it on there. But like when I first used to do it, I remember it like actually kind of hurt, and I would just sit there because I needed it to be the right color, and I would be like, no, it doesn't hurt, it's fine. Like now it doesn't hurt anymore because we do it so much.
Yeah, that other one hurt more, I think, than this. I think this one is better. It's not as hard on the scalp. It's on the scalp.
It feels like better. It's safer. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna do the rest and like come back with that and see if it looks good. So I will be right back in a few. Okay, so I went this far. So now we're almost done and my arms are very, very tired. I was expecting my head to hurt more, but it's not, and I'm just now tired and I want to give up. So I keep wanting to ask her to do it for me because I don't want to do this anymore. It's the same thing over and over again. And now it's getting to where I can't see what I'm doing. I like can't see what I'm doing at all. And I feel like I keep overlapping like the bleach on the already bleached parts, so it's gonna like get like messed up, and like my hairstylist doesn't do that, so like it won't, that's why it's not messed up, but I feel like I'm putting it on the already bleached parts, which isn't good. Oh fuck. Oh my god. This is actually so much harder than I was expecting. It's more just like tiring, and like this is like way too much hand-eye coordination for me, because it's like the backwards of like what you're actually doing. I just didn't expect this. I was and like my eyeballs hurt from like looking upwards like this. Like, you know when you strain your eyes? It's just not fun. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of this, and then I'm gonna like come back when I'm gonna tone it, or like I have to like leave it in for like 30 minutes, so I'm gonna come back then. Okay, so I'm out here and I just finished doing it. That was so tiring. Like, it actually just hurt my like arm. Like, that was more just tiring for my arm, and like now my head's starting to hurt because it's like bleach, of course, but like I hope I didn't mess it up. I really hope I didn't get too much bleach in like the wrong areas, but oh my god, I look crazy. I'm gonna let her tone it because I don't want to tone it, because I want her to like do a good job, because I need to look good tomorrow. I'm telling you, like I feel like I'm gonna be the only tutorial where like whose hair isn't like fried and like it looks actually like decent. Okay guys, so I just got back home and literally, I did a really good job. Like honestly, wait, there's something in my eye. Ow, ow, there's hair in my eye. Oh my god, wait, that's really bad. Oh fuck, ow, ah, ow, wait, fuck, wait, this isn't funny. I got it. Can you see it? That was in my eyeball. Anyways, it honestly low-key looks like, ew. It low-key looks pretty good. Like, I did a good job. There's a little yellow spots I forgot to like, I think I missed because I went back over some of it, but most of it looks really good. And like low-key for doing this like myself, like she cut my hair and everything for me, but like I actually put the bleach on myself and did all that part myself and like mixed it and everything. Like she put I put all the bleach on myself. She was just kind of like there to like help me in case I messed it up. But I'm like, bitch, I could do hair now. Like, you know what I mean? Like low-key, I just need to learn how to cut hair, and I could like be a professional hairstylist. Oh my god, maybe that's my new calling. Maybe I could be a hair YouTuber. Is that a thing? Anyways, some advice. Don't bleach your hair. My hair is thankfully healthy because the products I use is actually really good. I don't know if you can see, it's like really healthy. It's like not like dead. So mine's sick, but I know a lot of people who like don't go out and bleach your hair yourself. I'm serious. Like, do not do it. Like, you're gonna regret it. I promise you, you're gonna regret it. Like, seriously, like, don't do it. Like, just go get it done. Like, I'm telling you, like, you don't want Sally hair, like, you don't want Sally Beauty hair shit. Like, I'm telling you, like, just don't do it yourself. Like, you're gonna fucking regret it. Like, don't do it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was funny for you, because it was kind of just tiring for me. But I'm gonna go wash my hair again with purple shampoo real fast. I love how it looks right now, but there's a few pieces I want to get out, and I also am going to a concert later. So, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching me bleach my hair for the first time. It could have gone a lot worse than it did, so I'm kind of grateful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below. My Instagram is Ethanisupreme, as well as my Twitter and Snapchat. But yeah, make sure to follow me there if you enjoyed this video. If you want to know what products I use for my hair, like what I bleach it with and the toning stuff, just comment down below and I will be sure to like pin one.